Hey y'all, so I haven't made a video in so long, like it's been a long time, and I decided that today I'm gonna make a video because I've been wanting to, but I lost my SD card and like a bunch of random stuff kept happening. And the one thing that I really missed about life in my life was filming videos. I didn't get a lot of views or anything, and it ain't like it's my career or something, but I did miss it a lot, and I really missed like the interactions with you guys and just the ability to like get basically my creativity out there and do what I want to do like with my channel and stuff. And I really just felt like it was the right thing for me. You know, I don't know why. I think I quit doing it because of depression and like a lot of mental health stuff, but I would like to get back into it, and I'm gonna really put the effort forth to get back into it. And today I'm gonna be doing a vlog where I just like show you guys some new makeup that I've been using and new skincare, because my skincare routine has completely changed. So I'm going to talk about that, but that could be another video. I'm just going to talk about like a few select products that I've been loving makeup wise. So I'm going to do my makeup right now because I got to film after this video. I have to film a haul. And I could have been, see, what's annoying to me is that I could have been having some fire content this whole time, because I've been buying clothes and stuff. Like for the summer's my favorite clothing time of the year. And I could have had some fire content for the summer because I had bought some really cute clothes and stuff. And I had been dressing really cute and everything. I have my mirror in front of me if I'm looking down, that's why. And also I dyed my hair. I don't know if you can tell, this is just something I did last night, so it isn't like it's something that I did like months ago, but I just last night dyed my hair red. I tried to, let's say attempted, because it didn't really work. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys my everyday makeup routine and the things that I've been doing every day. First thing that I've been using almost every day, I don't always use this. Sometimes I just use my moisturizer because my moisturizer is tacky a little bit. So it works good as a primer. And sometimes I use the Fenty Beauty. Today I'm not going to use the Fenty Beauty. Today I'm just going to use my moisturizer as a primer. And I'm going to be going in with, as my only base product, the Studio Fix Powder from MAC. And I use this AOA Studio High Def F5 brush. And I just tap it in there, get a little bit, tap out the excess. And I put that under my eyes. I use it as an under eye concealer. I use it as like a blemish concealer. You see how it just kind of, this powder foundation has really great coverage. I usually don't put it on my forehead, but since I'm doing videos today, I'm going to put it on my forehead just so everything is coherent. And I really like this brush, the powder brush from Moda. And I've been going back to the basics. I've been using my NYX matte bronzer in the color medium, which I used to use this way back in the day when I first discovered NYX. I just dust that over my nose and everything. And some days I just leave it at that. I dust it over my eyes and I just put on some mascara. But today, since like I said, I have other videos to film, I'm just going to do I'm going to finish the rest of my face off, but first what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the Benefit Gimme Brow Plus on my eyebrows. I haven't been using brow pencil or any of that. All I've been doing is I've been going for more of like a soft glam type look. See the difference between the brows? I see a difference. I don't know if anyone else does, but I do. And I have so much to update you guys on. Just like there's so much things that have changed, like in my room. Some things in my life, but not really. My life hasn't really changed very much since I uploaded the last video. The only thing different that happened was, the only thing that really happened that changed my life, and this is a big thing, it's not a small thing, is that my great grandma that lived with us passed away. So that was in January. So that was kind of rough, and that was another thing that contributed to my depression heavily. And this is the Disney Fantasia One Size highlighter. I've been using this a lot. I feel kind of weird talking about makeup and talking about this all at once, but like, something else that happened, basically this year has been like a big life change year. There's been a lot of things that have happened, and if you followed me on TikTok, you would have seen that my dog passed away as well a few months ago. And I had her on my channel a lot, and I had her on my TikTok a lot. Like I said, there's so many things that contributed to me not posting videos, and those were the main things. And I've been using this blush a lot, as you can see, because it's literally almost empty. And actually today, I'm not going to do eyes. I'm going to just do what I would normally do, which is put bronzer on my eyelids. And then I've been using and really liking the Tartelette Tubing Mascara. And I gotta show you guys a new lip combo that I've been obsessed with. I'm just gonna wipe off my lip balm. I've been using this NYX Line Loud lip pencil in the color Total Baller. If you guys hear a kid talking in the background, that's my little sister. So I'm just warning, there could be yelling or anything, because she likes to yell. And I'm using this Maybelline, the vinyl, Superstay Vinyl Ink. I've been obsessed with these. I've been loving these. They stay on, they don't transfer really. And they're shiny. They're more of like a cream finish, like kind of shiny lip glossy type thing. And I love it because you can get like that soft, like shiny finish without having to have transfer and melting off the lips and coming off the lips all the time and stuff. You guys can see I dyed my hair last night. You can see that my blonde pieces are red now. There wasn't much of the blonde pieces left, but they're red now. And my hair has like a reddish tint to it, but Honestly, the hair dye didn't do a lot. It didn't do a whole lot. But I do like the color. But this has been like my basic makeup look that I've been doing. And I've been obsessed with. But on a lighter note, the reason I'm able to film now is because I'm out of that depressive episode that I was in. And it was pretty long and it was pretty bad. But I'm out of it now, and I feel like I'm able to actually film content and not be... Because honestly, for a while, all I was doing was sleeping and stuff. It was just really bad. And I don't really want to get too far into it because it was just because it was a dark time that I like to not think about. But it was just a really dark time for me. So that's why I haven't been uploading. Which I said that in my last video too. But it got worse, especially after like the passing of my grandma and my dog and stuff. Then it got even worse. So yeah, it was just a lot. But now I'm feeling way better, and I feel like I'm able to actually move past the things that have happened in my life this year. And I just celebrated my sister's 3rd birthday, and I had a party and everything. It was a success. It went really well. She had a great time. She enjoyed herself. She's growing so well. She's just doing really great. And that is the biggest blessing to me. Like, I feel like the fact that she's doing so well and everything. And I have her to look after, so I have to be okay. You know what I'm saying? Like, I have to be okay, and I need to be okay. So I feel like I'm doing okay now. I feel like before I was telling myself that, but it wasn't really working. But now I actually believe it, and I feel like I'm doing okay, and I feel like I can push through, and I can persevere and everything. There's just a lot of stuff, basically. But yeah, this is the makeup look. Oh, and I switched up my room a little bit. That's one thing that's different. As you can see, my background's different. I got a ladder shelf, which I will show that in this vlog at some point. I just wanted to show you guys my makeup routine really quick. And now I'm going to film the other video that I was going to film. My sister got a whole grand piano for her birthday. What you doing, Trinity?
Yeah.